good, YouTube? It's your boy Benedict Easy, and we're back again with another sneaker prediction. Welcome to the month of July. My bad. Welcome to the month of August. And July, low-key, was it was an okay month. Like, there was not a lot of heat that dropped this past July, honestly.
So I'm currently just editing this video, and I just realized that I would not be able to get the video in for the 1st of August because I got too busy. But I've done you guys a huge favor of taking out the shoes that have dropped on the 1st and the 2nd, just because at this point it's kind of late. And yeah, we can just move on from there. Once again, I apologize. Hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah.
I'm excited for this time. On the 2nd of August, we have the shoes from the freak, the Greek freak, the Naija boy, and it's only $120. That's pretty, that's pretty affordable. And I believe the shoes are called the Nike Coming to America, something like that. I mean, the idea is pretty dope, to be honest. Okay, to be honest, the idea is pretty dope. The fact that, like, I mean, he has a shoe and he's Nigerian, I'm Nigerian. Hey, but it's an ugly shoe. For these and the resale prices, for the drop on the 2nd, I wouldn't advise anyone to copy it for resale. If you would want to copy it for that, but if you want to copy for personal, and if you're like me, you're Nigerian and you love the game and you love what's his name, Giannis Antetokounmpo, then definitely you want to copy it. Next up, we have the SB Jordan 1 lows, and this is the UNC colorway. This for sure, I feel like it's gonna be very profitable, just because I feel like we've just entered a phase of lows, of like low top Jordans or like or sneakers. I don't know. I feel like there's some other pairs of like lows that have been dropping in the past like month, and this is just gonna fall in line with those. And this is also a shoe that in the high top version was pretty pretty limited to get. So I believe that these shoes are going to be very profitable. These only go for $110, so it's actually going to be good profit. So I might be copying this just because it has a low retail price. Let's see what I do with it. Also on the 2nd of August, we see the Chinatown market Converse sneakers making a global drop. I believe they only dropped in China for, I think the high top version is going to be $100, and the low top version is going to be like $90 or something. Nothing too crazy, but for Converse, I don't think they look too different from just like a regular white Converse shoe. So already, I'm not gonna copy these. As for profit, there's gonna be small profit, maybe like a good dinner money, but like I said, it's nothing that I personally like. Moving to August 10th for $130 in the Kyrie 5 colorways, and only $110 in the Kyrie 2 colorways. We're gonna see the Nike SpongeBob. It's like a SpongeBob or Nickelodeon collection, but it's like a whole like SpongeBob colorway. But I believe they have like one in the Squidward, Patrick, SpongeBob himself, and I think Mr. Krabs. I don't know, that's pretty dope. It brings back a lot of memories. If you want to copy these for like personal, I would not sleep on these because they move quick. So you want to wake up and get these. As for the resale prediction, there's not really going to be a lot of money that you can make from this if you're planning to resell it. It's not a beautiful shoe. I feel like this is more on the hype and the fact that they're using the whole SpongeBob and the Kyrie name. So yeah, definitely if you cop it on time, you want to sell it quick, like as soon, like if you get the chance of getting like at a local store or anything, yeah, sell it as soon as possible. Also on August 16th, we're gonna see the SB Jordan 1s, and these are going to be very profitable just because the first time they dropped, I actually took an L on these. This time, actually, they're not even dropping in the US. They're going to be dropping in Europe because it's like an EU release. So yeah, definitely if you have friends, you want to be giving them a call to definitely help you out with this cop. I have a lot of friends, and yeah, my friends, if you're watching this video, get ready for my calls because I'm about to call you up. So $175, I believe in pounds, it would be the same thing. Yeah, 175 pounds. Yeah, you should be getting the shoes, but resale price is going to be probably one of the best for the month. So moving to August 17th, we're gonna be seeing, I don't know, these shoes always come back. Like, it's just like a nightmare that you just keep on seeing every single time. We're gonna be seeing the Yeezy 700 wave runs, and that's the one with all the like colors on it. Yeah, I feel like these have dropped like 3 times. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but like these have dropped like a lot, and this is like the 4th time they're dropping it. You know what I said about Yeezys? They just keep milking the game. And these, the only time I feel like you, as for resale prices, I feel like the only time you could possibly make profit off these shoes is the first and the second time when they drop. Every other time, it's just kind of like everyone. I feel like the whole world is like, yeah, like we're done with seeing these Yeezys, bro. But yeah, these are gonna be, as usual, $300, high retail price. If you want to cop these for resale, I would advise you not to, because you're gonna lose. If you want to cop for a personal pair, yeah, go ahead and do that. If you do own a pair, I would advise you to start to sell out because winter is coming. Moving on, the same day is the satin Jordan 1s, the red. It's like the red colorway. They're like women's, like they're female shoes, but hey, bro, it's 2019. Men are wearing female things, females have been wearing male things, so I'm definitely gonna be copping a pair for myself because I don't know, it's just so smooth and silky. I like, damn, like yeah, wow. It's so nice. I don't know, I'm definitely gonna be copping a pair. As for retail prices, for resale prices, you wanna I believe all of the pair, all the sizes will probably be profitable. The bigger sizes are definitely gonna be the most profitable, just because, like, example, I'm a size 12, so I would want to double up on my size, so I'll be going for like a size 14 female. Moving to August 24th, that's the Friday, or 25th, I don't know, 24th, 25th. I know usually the Yeezys, they usually drop days like on Saturdays, or so it might be on the Saturday or the Friday. We're gonna be seeing the Yeezy 500, the Yeezy 500, the Yeezy 500 bone whites, and these are gonna be releasing for $200. So these will be dropping for $200. These remind me a lot of the blush. So I think they kind of mixed the blush and the wave runners, kind of just took out the sole of the wave runners and put in the blush. Pretty creative. Resale prices, I believe you could possibly make a couple of change from these, just because this is the first of its kind, and then 2, it has a pretty low retail price. Not really low, but it's in between for Yeezys. And personally, I would not be getting this because this is just not, I don't know, this is just not okay Yeezy. I'm sorry. This is not creative. I lied. I'm just really not creative. I don't know. This is just, come on now. You can do better. So moving on to some more sneakers that I'm just gonna mention them, and I believe the reason why I want to mention them is because I mentioned them actually in the last month's one, because you know how these companies do, they kind of move things around, and yeah, this was actually moved now we don't know when they're actually dropping, and they are the Travis Scott Jordan 6s. Yeah, the ones that glow in the dark. The retail for these are $250, which is pretty high, but you should expect a lot of profit from these. Maybe not as much as the Jordan 1s and like the other and then the SB Dunk ones, the low top ones, but you should expect a pretty decent profit from these. For personal cop, I will be copying a pair myself, so I would yeah, you don't want to sleep on these because these are gonna go quickly. It's Travis, like this is. Yeah, and that's a quick run through of the sneakers that are gonna be dropping this month. Personally, these are the shoes I'm most interested in. But once again, hope you enjoyed that video. Leave a comment down below about what shoes you think you'll be copying from this list, and which one is your favorite that's gonna be dropping this month. And also leave a like, and then share this video with a friend, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you.